Hi, this is Terry. Welcome to Cat Scratch Kitchen. Let's talk today about that sweet tooth. Let's make some hot fudge sauce. Doesn't that sound good? 3 simple ingredients and less than 10 minutes, and you can jazz up that ice cream or a piece of pound cake. Let your imagination go wild. All you need are 1 stick or ½ a cup of margarine or butter, 1 cup of chocolate chips, and 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. You want to put your stick of butter or margarine in a small saucepan. Turn it on medium heat and just slowly let it melt. Once your butter is all melted, you're going to take your can of sweetened condensed milk and add it to the pot. Now stir it around, get it sort of combined, and then you're going to add your 1 cup of chocolate chips. Now as you're stirring, you're going to feel like, okay, I did something wrong. This doesn't look like it's going to come together. Looks like the oil, butter, the chocolate, it's never going to combine together. And then all of a sudden, magically, it all comes together. And that's it. Believe it or not, you're ready to put it on your ice cream, whatever dessert you want to. To store it, just put it in a jar or a Tupperware container. I like a jar so that I can make sure that the seal is nice and tight. Let it cool completely and store it in your fridge. Now I've had mine stored in the fridge for a good month at least, and it's still good. When you're ready to use it, just take it out of the fridge, remove the lid, and set it in the microwave. You want to set your microwave for 20 seconds, stirring afterwards, and then set it for another 20 seconds and stirring each time until it's the consistency you want. Or if you don't want to go the microwave route, you can put a small amount of water in a small saucepan, set the entire jar with the lid off in the water, and heat the water. It works sort of like a double boiler. Stir it occasionally and it will get to the spoonable consistency that you're looking for. Remember the brownies we talked about a few weeks ago? Put some ice cream on top, pour some hot fudge over the top of that, and you've got a restaurant-ready dessert right in your own kitchen. Have fun! And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and add it to your dessert favorites. As always, the recipe is down below in the comments, as well as a link so that you can print it out for yourself. I hope you enjoyed today and that you'll like and subscribe so that you don't miss out on the next fun and easy recipe that shows up next week. See you then!